Hello, folks, and welcome to Author Adjacent. I'm your host, Michael Vadney, and today we're doing another unboxing. This time I was sent a package by J Alex Giguere? Giguere? I'm not really sure. But I'm interviewing him tonight for Author Adjacent at the time of this recording. So I'll find out then and report back soon. But I think I'm close. We'll see. But, anyways, let's get into it. All right, here we are. A much smoother transition than last time. I actually thought about it ahead of time this time, and I got the box ready and I got the camera set up ready. We do have a handy dandy knife if we need it, but I made myself some pre cuts just in case. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna pop her open right here so you guys can see what I'm seeing. Get that camera to focus for a second. Nice classic packaging. We're going to get rid of this box. We don't need that. Anyways, bubble wrap to keep us safe. We do like safe books. There is so much crinkling going on. Ooh, it's wrapped like a parcel. I do love that. Get that out of the way. All right, so we got nice little twine, some tape to keep that going, some tape to keep it all together, but that's okay. Let's get into it. Nope, the tape. There we go. And you know what? Let's do it this nice. Nope, we're not doing it nice. We're going knife. And unwrapping. I've seen this book digitally, but I haven't seen it in person yet, so I'm pretty excited. The cover for this one, again, I hope you can hear me over the tearing, is done by Jeff Brown. And holy cow, look at these colors. Whoa. Oh my God, that thing is beautiful. Look at that. Wow, that is stunning. Okay, we got this huge purple storm. I don't know if you guys know anything about this story, The Breaking by J Alex Giguere. We'll figure it out eventually. But God, it's about a world that is literally falling apart. This magical effect happens throughout the world, and these three characters are discovering a poisoning of that world and are trying to figure out where that's coming from. I'm about halfway through the book myself right now, but let's take more of a look. We got all this going on. The lettering does seem to be spaced a little off on these. As you can see, the breaking is a little on to the left side, and as we can see right here, the spine doesn't quite line up, but the art is really good. I like the lettering. Let's say on the back here, not many a person not many a person's adventures led to such devastation, that of losing the only ones you've loved. Yikes. Okay, I've gotten halfway through the book and I'm not really sure what this is referring to yet, but man, that makes me scared for the ending. But let's keep getting into it. Let's open it up a little bit. Oh, we got this nice little covering right here. There we go. Oh, this is beautiful. In Vievna, life is bound to the Zayath, a living force woven into every soul. But when a poison takes root, the Zayath falters, and the very foundations of Vievna begin to crack. To save their world, three companions must journey beyond all they have known, into the breaking of everything they believe. Some forces cannot be stopped, some worlds can only be broken. Nice. Oh, and I saw this coming up on the next page. We have this nice little page printout. Enjoy the adventure. Oh, what? Is that my name? How did he get that in there into the page? Enjoy the adventure, Michael. I don't know how he got this in here. I knew he was sending it to me, but wow. Ah, okay. So the alignment on the pages is really good. All the letterings are fine within that. The margins are looking pretty great. I've also been doing the audiobook off and on while I've been reading this digitally, so very excited to get into the page. These acknowledgments. This is one of the most beautiful acknowledgments that I've seen. In the beginning of a book, and definitely worth your time. Don't skip over it when you're getting into this one. But this book is beautiful. All right. Now we're going to have to do it. We're going to have to check it out on the naked. All right. On the naked, we got this nice flat gray. It's actually kind of a heathered gray, but with a, not gonna lie, a nice texture. I'm enjoying it, but we're gonna keep this dust jacket on just because we love that Jeff Brown art on the top of it. But man, this book is beautiful. If you haven't checked this out, I do highly encourage it. It kind of reminds me of like Yuna's adventure in Final Fantasy X, a little bit of Yumi and the Nightmare Painter, and there was one more, but I can't think of it right now. But anyways, this book, highly suggest it. Check it out. This beautiful cover by J Alex Giguere. Thank you again for sending this to me.